Alright, how to read the EGR parameters. This will be a quick demonstration. Here on my scan tool, I'm going to locate it.
I'm going to go in here, engine outputs. I'm going to find where the EGR valve.
I'm also going to use the bidirectional control to see if the valve actually operates.
EGR solenoid. That's what I'm going for.
And what I'm looking for to see if the EGR valve is actually sticking or a piece of carbon in a pintle. By looking at the actual EGR position and the desired EGR position, I can see if the EGR valve is sticking open. If the actual EGR position is actually higher than the desired EGR position, especially at the idle, that means the valve is stuck open or there's a piece of carbon inside the pintle keeping it open. Now, a EGR valve that has a higher actual position than the desired EGR position can set a map system code or run rich. You see a 0, 0, that's what I'm looking at. What I'm pointing at right now is the bidirectional control. I'm actually going to use the scan tool to turn the valve on or operate the valve. By doing this, I can see if the valve actually works. Make sure there's no shorts between the wiring and the PCM. If there's a sensor on top of it, I can see the actual sensor position, if it's moving or not. And I can see if it's sticking. Also, I can listen to the EGR port, the engine, to see if the EGR port is clear. Now open up the EGR valve. See 10, 20, 30%, the engine's supposed to stumble. If it stumbles, it means the port of the EGR is good. Now pay attention, look at the EGR position, actual and desired. They said they almost matched. Remember, the actual and desired should be almost matching. The actual EGR position should not be higher than the desired EGR position, especially at the idle. That means it's stuck open if it is. And right now I'm listening for the port. Make sure it's clear. The engine should stumble when I turn it on. See, it's 40%. That car should be almost stalling. Hope you like that.